Using the selection tool, we'll layer via copy, layer via cut, and select inverse. Now, first thing we will do, go to File and Open, and select an image. Now again, I will use the Move tool to click and drag and place my image in the document. Zoom in with Ctrl Command minus and Ctrl Command T to resize the image. Now I can use the rectangular marquee tool with the select inverse option. That means that if I want to create an ellipse with the selection, make sure you hold the shift to maintain proportion. You can place the selection wherever you want on the document. Make sure you click inside the selection and not in that area. Because if you click outside, it will just deselect. Let's try it again. Now, at this point, if we will click delete, it will just delete the area selected, but we want to delete everything around it. So I will go one step back in the history panel, right click and select inverse. So I can select inverse and then click delete, and it will select the area around the image. Don't forget to Ctrl Command D to deselect, and then we can continue working on our document. Now let's try again with the same image and add a feather. So I can resize the image, place it here. You can click Ctrl Command 0, fit on screen, go back to the ellipse, hold the shift. And first we will right click, add the feather. Let's try less, 30 pixels. And then I will right click again and select inverse and delete. Now you can see that it's selected around it, deleted the area with the feather. Another option that we have with the selection tool called layer via copy or layer via cut. That's if you want to keep that image, not crop from it, right click and layer via copy. Now that will create another layer. You can see in the layers panel, another layer from the selection. And the second option, layer via cut, will just cut from the image, right click. Now we need to make sure the image selected, so we can find it in the layers panel, and if you're not sure, you can just hide it and bring it back. Right click, layer via cut. Now it's just cutting that part from the image selected.